Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. I can't complain. How are you?
All doing all right. Yeah, we've got a lot of breaking news this morning
I just heard you
from
say
the
that in my
tech
ear.
world.
Yeah. What's
Tech
going on
world,
Facebook?
Faiza. Facebook, or Meta Platforms as it is now known, is cutting jobs. 13% of the company workforce. That is 11,000 jobs in total. And this, of course, on the heels of the cutbacks at Twitter just last week. The tech space is adjusting to the new paradigm shift, really, in the economy, advertising, and, of course, what Mark Zuckerberg's been doing at Meta has been focusing on the metaverse, which he has already said isn't going to make money for at least 10 years. And advertising revenue is down on the mainline platforms, Facebook and Instagram. So they're cutting big-time jobs at Meta Platforms, and this just adds to a morning where we're seeing quite a bit of uncertainty, actually, to start the trading day, because we still don't know the official outcome, where the dust will settle from the U.S. midterm elections. You add that to the mix of just overall economic uncertainty, and you've got the Dow futures contract this morning down about 130 points in pre-market trade, and we've had a nice little rally here, a 3-day winning streak coming into the Wednesday trade. We'll see if that can be extended or if it comes to an end today.
Okay, let's talk crypto. What's crypto up to? Some chaos?
Well, it's not up to any. It's down. It's down to something, actually, down to a 2-year low on all of the major cryptos this morning because of, well, it's being described as chaos in crypto land, actually, because one of the biggest trading platforms, FTX, founded by Sam Bankman-Fried, well, it's been bailed out by one of its rivals, Binance. Anytime you talk about the cryptos, it gets a little bit convoluted and confusing. But the bottom line here is a whole bunch of people are losing a whole bunch of money. As Bitcoin this morning is down to below $18,000 US. Ethereum's been, I think, down, well, it's right now down by about 12% early on, down over 60% for the year. All of these cryptos have just plunged from the lows or the previous highs that we'd seen. And a whole bunch of celebrity endorsers are in the mix here as well, with FTX. That's the baseline company here, which you've maybe seen its logo on Major League Baseball umpires. It's got its logo splashed on the home of the Miami Heat, the Miami Arena. It's been at the forefront of the crypto world, and maybe is going bye-bye if Binance buys it out. FTX has got celebrity endorsers, including Tom Brady and Gisele Bündchen and Shaquille O'Neal and Steph Curry and a whole bunch of celebrities and athletes. And yeah, this is a pretty big story. And of course, you know, we started the year back at the Super Bowl with Matt Damon telling us that fortune favors the brave. And, well, look how that's turned out.
Well, the celebrities love the cryptos, don't they?
Yeah, until it goes sour.
Right. Okay, let's talk about early sell-off for shares of the Disney company. That's in.
Yeah, the numbers weren't great for Disney. The biggest problem is costs. Everything's been going up, inflation certainly, and this has boosted the input cost to make all the programs, Marvel movies and Star Wars and what have you on the Disney Plus platform. So their costs are way up. More subscribers, that's not an issue, but just the sales and profitability for Disney were not up to snuff, and stock's down about 8% here in pre-market action.
Okay, let's talk lettuce. I know that's on the minds of a lot of people, and I'm actually going to be talking about this with Frank in just a little bit.
I know, Frankie, and I've been, you know, he sent me a note about this a month ago about the price for lettuce skyrocketing. The crop in California was not good at all this year, and now we're seeing the ripple effects in the Canadian market, and Swiss Chalet's having supply issues and all sorts of things here. So we had, well, how many years ago was it the cauliflower shortage? Was that 2017 or 2018? I forget, when cauliflower was like $8 a head, and now lettuce is up around $4 or $5. I love my lettuce.
Shocking.
Good for you.
I'm sorry about that, Mike Eppel. It is good for you. Hopefully there could be some relief.
Dressing.
So not the gravy, right? The lettuce. Thanks so much, Mike Eppel.
Not combined or anything. That's just weird.
You could talk about this forever.